Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this adorable little Happy Easter bunny wreath. This came in just under $10, not expensive at all, so if you want to see how I made this, then keep watching.
So for this project you're going to need some of the loopy loops yarn, or any kind of fluffy yarn that you can find. As you can see, this one has the loops in it, but the way that we're going to use it, you won't even see it. This skein came from Joann Fabrics, and I think I paid $3.50 for it, which is a really good deal. It's so soft. Next thing you'll need is a heart wreath form from Dollar Tree. They have moved these from the Valentine's Day section into the floral section, so you're still able to find those. We're also going to use this adorable little bunny sign from Dollar Tree. And you're going to need some of these, I think they call them DIY ornaments. I definitely just threw the package away when I shouldn't have. But you'll need 2 of these. And we're going to be using them on this side. And then you're also going to need some buttons from Dollar Tree. You can use the colored ones or the dark ones. I'm going with the dark ones. And you're going to need 6 buttons. I think that's it. A hot glue gun. That's all we're going to need. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is just remove these staples really from the back of the bunny head. Of course, my dog is chewing something on the floor. This is my little Muppet. His name is Basil, and he's a troublemaker. I'm only 9 months old. Anyway, the first thing that we're going to do is map out where we want this bunny head. So this bunny head is going to get mounted to, we're going to flip this upside down first of all. Then we're going to mount our bunny head to this. So I think I want it right above that. We don't want it down too far. So all I'm going to do is take like a white metallic marker and mark on my wreath form where the head is going to go, so I don't wrap. So I marked it. Alright, so we're going to wrap this wreath form and try to avoid where we've marked off. So what I'm going to do is start this right on this bar right here, and I'm gonna lay a little bit of hot glue right on that bar. Oopsie. And make a lot of noise as always. And just glue that on, and we shall start wrapping. I don't really know a good way to do this. Okay, there we go. So I'm just wrapping. Wrap, wrap, wrap. So that's what I have so far. Every time I make it to one of these crossbars right here, I'm just going to lay a little bit of hot glue. And I'm going to keep going on this, and when I have the whole thing done all the way back up to the other side where we have that other white mark, I will come back. Okie dokie. So here it is. I've left that little part at the top out right here that you can't really see because it's too dark. There we go. So we can attach our bunny head. This is so soft and so cute. So it goes all the way around. So now we'll take our bunny head, and I'm just gonna attach it right onto this bar right here. It's gonna be this little one. All right. And just slide it down onto it. And then I'm going to go around to the back and secure it with more hot glue. Just really get it good and on there. And then, I don't know if you can really see, but right here, there's kind of a gap. So all I'm gonna do is lay a little bit of hot glue down, put a pipe cleaner in there, and then raise it up so we can use that to secure it. So I got 2 of those there, and we'll let that dry. So I'm just letting that dry over here. And now let's work on our little feeties. So we're gonna use these hearts. So we use the heart upside down to make the cute little bunny butt. So now we're gonna use hearts the right way up to make cute little bunny feeties. So I've pulled out 6 buttons that kind of look similar to each other. I've got 2 large ones and then 4 smaller ones. The 4 small ones are all the same size. And since this has a big old hole in it, we're gonna cover it with the big button. So I'm just gonna take a little dollop of hot glue and put my big one right in the middle of that hole. So it disguises the hole. And then we'll take buttons on each side of that big one and make little toe beans with it. Isn't that cute? So you might want to dollop the buttons instead of the wood. That way you get the glue where you want it and you don't have excess glue on the... So there's one little toe. So there's our 2 little feeties. And now we're gonna just pull the burlap ribbon off the back of these little carrots. There's that. Alright, so this is dry now. There he is. Isn't he cute? I'm gonna go ahead and secure my pipe cleaners that I put on here. Here he is. He's so cute. Look at that. Now we'll put his little toe beans on him. So I'm going to put these right on each side or either side of the little lumps here. Just do it up good. Everything will stick right to this yarn with hot glue. So that's really the easy part here. And I'm gonna put them slightly at an angle each. Okay, so there's our little feeties. I think this is so cute. And now we're gonna secure on our little Happy Easter carrots, which are so very, very cute. Again, I'm just gonna do this with hot glue. Hot glue sticks so well to this loopy yarn. I think this is so cute. It's Happy Easter. Oh my god, he's so cute. So he looked a little bit naked and I want to put a bow on him. So you could go a few ways. I think I'm gonna go, this is just off-ray ribbon. I've had this for years and years and years. I use it for everything. And then I have this sweet little carrot ribbon that came from Joann Fabrics. You can use Dollar Tree. Does not matter one single bit for this. I think I'll just use a pipe cleaner for this. So I've just gone back and forth twice for this one. And then I'll take some of this brown one. I'm just gonna do the same. Go back and forth with it. That way it pulls the burlap color and the darker color from his little toe beans and his face details. There's a cute little bow. Nothing fancy. Alright, so I'm just gonna use that pipe cleaner and pull my little bow through right underneath his face. And flip it around and secure it by twisting it. And I'll cut that extra pipe cleaner off of him. Whatever it is, it's cute. There he is. Isn't he adorable? Let's see what we can do about this string up here. This string we're gonna leave because that's how he's gonna get hung on the door. Isn't he precious? Ah!
So here he is hanging on my front door. I think he's adorable. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit the like button, subscribe for more Easter, probably wreaths, but DIYs too. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good weekend.